Today we are making a green cookie. Well, of course, it's St. Patrick's Day. So I thought I'd do something a little bit different for this cookie. Now, if you're interested in the recipe, it is down there below in the description. It also has links to some of the equipment that I use and some of the ingredients, but this is so easy. As you can see, not that many ingredients here. But let's get started. It doesn't take that much time at all. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flour, and this is matcha powder. Matcha powder is basically a green tea which has been powdered. You get the idea. And then I'm going to add to that a good pinch of sea salt. Then, because I picked the world's smallest bowl, I'm going to mix that carefully. What was I thinking? I mean, seriously. I have other bowls. I could just go get another bowl. But by gosh, I'm determined not to. I can do this. It does smell like tea. Alright, once that is mostly mixed, I have butter. Hopefully your butter will be more room temperature than my butter. It turned cold today. I was not expecting that. I'm going to go ahead and start mixing that up. To that, I'm going to add my powdered sugar. Give that a quick scrape. Now on low, we're going to add our flour mixture. Scrape that down. It really is becoming, I didn't think it was going to. That really is becoming a dough. That is so easy to deal with. Alright. Now I'm going to take my very green dough. Then, of course, we're going to form this into a log, about 10 to 12 inches. I'm going to rotate this a bit, squish it in. Then once it has formed into a log, I'm going to take it, wrap it, and then of course, like with any dough like this, which looks like a cucumber in plastic wrap, I'm going to put it in my refrigerator. Now we have to let this chill. Okay, our cookies have been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, a little over. Now I'm just going to slice them in about a 1/2 inch pieces. My oven is preheated to about 320 My oven's preheated to 325 degrees. My pan is lined with parchment paper. Maybe these are yeah. These are very green. Very, very green. Okay, I'm going to take I'm going to take my cookies and bake them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges start turning little brown, little golden brown. All right, our cookies are out of the oven. Let's go ahead and give these a taste. That is a very tea flavored cookie, as in like very green tea, very green, almost like a, I think for lack of a better word, like a grassy type flavor cookie. It's actually, oddly enough, pretty darn good, which I'm surprised by. It is not overly sweet. You could add other things to this. I think this would be a good cookie for dipping into, like, well, tea or coffee. But it is definitely a grassy type cookie. I think this would be perfect for St. Patrick's Day. But like I said, this is not sweet. This is very earthy. Yeah, earthy would be a good taste, would be a good description for it. It's actually a really good cookie, just warning you, not sweet. It's going to be more like a biscuit. There we go. If you're ever wondering what a biscuit would be versus the American cookie, this would be more like a biscuit. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I want to hear what you think about this one, because this one's different. If you are a matcha tea fan, you will love this. Like I said, it is very earthy, it's very grassy. It's really a tea biscuit. It's actually, oddly enough, good. I didn't think that I would like this, but it's actually pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, because that way you get to see these videos way ahead of time. And I hope I get to see you again next time, and check out these videos that I picked out just for you.